Rolling.
YouTube is giving dislikes the thumbs down. And it's going to be hiding public counts on dislikes. We heard about this. This was rumored. We thought it was coming. It is here. The death of dislikes. I know people don't like that. In fact, this video might have some extra dislikes. Please don't. I mean, there's no need for that. In fact, if you don't like the death of the dislike, you can give this a like, and that will send a strong signal.
Sure.
That you like the dislikes. Mm-hmm. I don't know, man. Obviously, on other platforms, they don't have it. And it's I'm kind of split on it, just like I was when I was originally talking about the rumor, and now it's here. Mm-hmm. Dislikes will still be there. It's just the public number will not be displayed. It'll be, the creator will see the number of dislikes, mm-hmm. but likes will be public, dislikes less so. So it's a sort of somewhere in the middle type of compromise. But the viewer always felt empowered by the dislike button in that they could have a say that the creator might see, like a comment, it gets buried. Famously, you remember all those YouTube Rewind videos mm-hmm. where the dislike bar, I mean, you couldn't even see the like segment, and it became a meme and people liked it. But then you have the other situations, like the one you just highlighted. I just came here to dislike.
Yeah. And
you get that in order to utilize that. But do you smash the whole thing because a couple of individuals misuse it? Or do you try to find a way? Like, let me give you my own compromise instead of getting rid of it completely. Mm. What if you need to watch a certain amount of the video before the dislike button gets activated? So you can't essentially review the video in the first 10 seconds.
Yeah. Like a gradual,
like you got to eat the meal,
unlocking.
You got to eat the meal before.
Sure, yeah.
You make the review on the meal.
Okay.
Listen. Okay, I don't know, man. They're talking about mental health. They're talking about creator psychology. I'm a creator.
And they're trying to do their best.
I'm a creator. All right.
Okay.
I got likes, I got dislikes. It's all happening right here in this video. Is my psychological health okay? No, it's not okay. So anything to help get that back on track.
All right.
I'll take it.